Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix laptop speakers cracking sound on Windows 11. What you need to do is click on the search bar, go to settings and click on Windows Update here and check for updates, and if the updates are available just update that and install if available. Then after that go to device manager, click on this and then go to the audio inputs and go to the speakers here. Just right click on it and click on update driver and then click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick list and then click on audio endpoint and click on next. After that you have to right click on this disable device and then click on yes and then click on re-enable it like this. After that pause this and go to the sound icon, volume icon here, speaker icon here. Just right click on it and click on sound settings and scroll down to more sound settings. After that right click on it under in speakers and then click on properties and then click on advanced and then change audio format from 16. As you can see there are multiple options out there. In my cases there is no issues like this, so in your case if you can see that 32-bit, must select that 32-bit. They just click on apply and then click on OK. So this is it. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos. But if these steps won't work on your PC, then it must be some hardware issue which is happening. So that's it.